Hello, good morning. Myself, I am Dr. Sheetal Banerjee, Assistant Professor in the Department of Zoology from Dotebandhu Science College, Gondia. I am hereby present for the oral presentation in this international web conference on Science, Engineering and Technology 2020. Dear friends, I want to present a paper regarding the sustainable health. As we all know, the sustainable health encompasses a number of SDGs. For example, SDG 1, which indicates no poverty, number 2, zero hunger, 3, 4, 7, green energy, 11 is for sustainable and community health, 12 is for responsible consumer and public health, 13 is for action, 14 is for life below water. All these SDGs are actually should go in hand to achieve sustainability. And this role of SDGs is greatly helpful, and it has heightened in this COVID-19 outbreak. Coronavirus seems to be the transformational change, and we can overcome through this phase. We can use different transformational agents and achieve the sustainable goal. A new concept which has arisen nowadays is a normal new. Whether we will be able to go through the normalcy after this COVID-19 outbreak? Yes, we can. We can go through when we will submerge or add this normal our routine with the new technologies, and that is called as normal new. E-commerce and robotics delivery is one of the important aspects. Actually, in-person delivery is not virus proof, and hence we can expect much more automation in the supply chains using e-commerce and robotics delivery. Another is remote work. Nobody could have actually imagined that we can work from home or we can remotely work nowadays due to the presence of virtual private networks, voice over internet protocols and virtual meetings, cloud technology. There are very high equipped technologies also, such as face recognition technologies, so we can work from home also. Now telehealth is one of the important technology which will be emerging after the COVID-19 outbreak, where the persons which are present at home using the digital technologies can talk to the doctors, they can assess the health services by means of wearable personal devices. One can track vital symptomatic signs. Chatbots can be to initially diagnose, which will be based on the symptoms and which will be identified by the patients and cured by the doctors. So telehealth is one such important thing. Then online entertainment, for example, online concerts, online gaming, virtual tours to museum and heritage sites. These are certain things which will work effectively and efficiently. And one more thing is contactless payments. Like cash can become a very significant carrier of virus. Therefore, there would be spike increase in contactless payments in the form of cards and e-wallets. All the things which are used like Apple Payment, PayPals, GrabPay, all these are the significant ways for the contactless payments. So by this presentation, I want to conclude that all the SDGs, that is self-sustainable goals, can be achieved after the COVID-19 outbreak also by means of such transformational changes, the digital things which are coming nowadays. I want to say that we can achieve the sustainable development goals, begin our new normal with certain transformations. Thank you. Thanks a lot.